Hello and welcome. This is a new episode from Aero Arduino, and in this episode we are showing to you how to connect Arduino with the mobile phone using USB on the go and control it from Remote XY application. If you didn't yet subscribe, please subscribe to our channel to get the latest videos. Let's see how we can open remotexy.com website, and then we choose the connection. Here, if we don't have a Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connection or module, we choose the USB on the go connection. Then we choose the device Arduino Uno. Then we choose USB to UART module. Then we choose the Arduino IDE. Here we see the interface to start designing it. We choose the hardware serial. We choose the serial pins and the baud rate 9 and 600. We choose the background. Then we put the different controls, the push button, switch on off. Then we choose an analog scale. Here we choose the switch connected to pin number 13 LED and the push button also connected to pin number 13, the built-in LED, and the analog scale. We will configure it from the code, as you will see later. Here we save the project. Then we press Get Source Code to download the automatically generated code. Here we press Download Code. Then we download the Remote XY library. We choose the latest library. Then we download the Remote XY application from Google Play or Apple Store. Here is the Arduino Droid application. That's an Arduino IDE that runs on the smartphone. We've seen it before. We open the code we've just downloaded. Now we need to add 2 lines of code to configure the analog read scale. Here we write pin mode A0 as an input. Then inside the loop function, we write remotexy.level equals analog read A0, and we scale it by dividing by 255 and multiplication by 100. Then we compile the code. Compilation finished. Then we upload the code to Arduino. Sketch uploaded. Now Arduino Uno is ready with the code. Now we open Remote XY application on the smartphone and add new device. We choose the USB connection and the baud rate. Here is the interface we've just designed on Remote XY website. Now it's live and it's working. Here we control the LED using the push button and the toggle switch on off. And here is the analog scale reading from A0 pin. Here in this example, we've seen how to connect Arduino Uno to the smartphone using the USB on the go connection using the Remote XY application. If you don't have access to wireless module like the Bluetooth or the Wi-Fi connection. Here we've connected the mobile phone to Arduino using the OTG USB cable. Now we start the Remote XY application. Here's the interface we've just designed. Here's the push button. It lights the LED and the toggle switch on off. And here is the analog input, A0. That's all. We've learned how to make Arduino connection to smartphone using the USB on the go connection with a remote XY application. You can use when you don't have communication interface like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth module. You can use the USB on the go cable. So if you like this video, please click like, share and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.